This angelic beauty came in the world on March 25, 1983. She was born in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. She received her early education in Jeddah. She is a newcomer who made a good impression and proper place for herself in the industry by herself. She is known for establishing her own place in industry in such a short time span. Well, those who got luck and talent both always have a long way to go. Sana Jabe basically started her career in modeling. She didn't initially plan to be an actress, but when her commercials were on air, she started getting offers for acting. Then she tried and her family was supported to her, so she did it. Sana Jabe joined the entertainment industry just a few years back, started her career in Pakistan drama industry with her first debut in drama serial Mera Pehla Pyar, aired on ARY Digital, and the serial went really successful and she came up as a rising star. She has been extremely admired by the audience and she got more and more offers from other directors, and she appeared in many other dramas as Minu Ka Susra, Mary Dulyari, and Sher-e-Zaad. And there are other dramas doing which she attained too much fame and popularity. One of the dramas, Zara Yad Kar, was proved to be a big hit and everyone is talking about the drama. One more drama that made her very popular was Mana Ka Garana. She was looking so cute and attractive, and she redeems her work so simplicity, and she was able to attract a huge number of audiences towards herself. Her characters in those drama serials were so popular and she was being discussed on all over social media platforms. She is beautiful with an innocent smile. She has appeared in many TV commercials and endorsed many brands. She is known to public because she is often seen at television ads and serials. The products she advised include Coca-Cola, Bake Parlor, Worried Glow, and Lipton. List is follows: Mobilink, Coca-Cola, Service Eid Arrivals, Bake Parlor, Worried Glow, Lipton, and Eva Banaspati. Sana Jabe is some drama serials: Pyare Afzal, Sher-e-Zaad, Ranjish Hi Sai, Minu Ka Susral, Meru Dulyari, Meru Pehla Pyar,
Sana Javed in some drama serials list as following: Pyare Afzal, Shahrazad, Ranjish Hi Sahi, Minnu Ka Susral, Meri Dulhari, Mera Pehla Pyar, दिल का क्या रंग करूं, गोया, अधूरी औरत, माना के घराना, कोई दीपक हो, इंतज़ार, ज़रा याद कर, एतराज़. और सना जावेद ने recently he is working on one movies. This was released already on the Eid al-Fitr. The movie's name is Meronissa We Love You.